Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn about the vanilla flower pollination. Vanilla produces one of the world's most popular flavors. But growing vanilla is not easy and requires special care. Vanilla is one of the most expensive spices in the world. It is used in ice cream, cakes, perfumes, and many food products. Because natural pollination does not work in most places, farmers must pollinate it by hand. That is why vanilla is very valuable. Welcome to this guide on proper vanilla flower pollination. Vanilla is a delicate orchid that requires careful handling and precise timing to produce high-quality beans. In this video, you will learn the correct method of hand pollination, step by step. Pollination is the process by which pollen from the male part of a flower is transferred to the female part, allowing the plant to produce fruits and seeds. There are two types of pollination: natural and manual. Natural pollination happens with bees, insects, wind, or birds. But in vanilla plants, this does not work well, so farmers do pollination by hand, moving pollen carefully to grow vanilla beans. Vanilla pollination is a delicate process that must be done by hand. First, gently open the flower and locate the key parts: the anther, pollen mass, stigma, and the rostellum. Using a small stick or toothpick, carefully lift the rostellum away from the stigma. This step is very important as it allows the pollen to reach the stigma. Next, press the anther and stigma together gently, transferring the pollen. After pollination, the pollen mass sticks to the stigma, completing the process. If done correctly, the flower will develop into a vanilla bean. Timing and gentle handling are essential for successful pollination. After successful pollination, the vanilla flower begins to develop into a small pod. However, if pollination is unsuccessful, the flower will naturally fall off the stem. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more farming tips. See you in the next video.